Good morning, everybody. This is called the Morgan Stanley Consumer Index, one of the most bullish monthly indexes year to date for 2011. It has not had a reversal, not yet, but we are so overbought here that we are shorting these index. We are calling for a reversal correction. CMR.X is called the Morgan Stanley Consumer, and you can see some of the consumer names are going to fall short. Some of the leaderships in here are so overbought. The index on a monthly level is 94.12% overbought. Correction in the consumer index. Why? Because we have had the great bull rally up there. And you've got McDonald's as a leader in there. And we've got all-time, these names have driven this thing to all-time bull rally highs in 2011. And we haven't been this high. We've had a major breakout in the consumer. I go back to 1997. Extreme bull double back-to-back year rallies. Taking out its all-time highs right here. Let's get down here because we're shorting this index. It's overbought. Hedge fund managers are going to be all over it because I will put out the bulletin that this index is at overtime meaning overbought bull cycle rally. Wonderful place to be off that bottom. Wonderful place to be, but you got to know when to sell it and when to get out and when to sell short. This is extremely overbought. That means that stocks that are in here are overbought. I will give some of the names out right now. Some of the names are going to be as follows. We have this one right here, GIS, overbought. We will short that one in here. We've got MO, which is overbought on a monthly level. These are extreme monthly overbought levels. We have another name up here, ABT, that's in the CMR.X. Okay, it's overbought. Here's some other monthly ones. SYW, overbought. That means that there is no correction here, but there's a correction around the corner. And the most overbought names will come down, as I am saying clearly in the Morgan Stanley Consumer Index that there should be at least a 10% correction over the next June, July, and August. And not only that, we could start to see here where the bull rally indexes at their highest level are more prone to those corrections, which also makes it easier to make money. So when the individual names pull back to drop the index, remember the leadership has to pull back, which will make some of these great shorts. Then once they pull back, then we'll evaluate them then. Correction coming.